Hi and welcome to the UrbanDrop merchant portal. In this short video, we'll show you how to add tags to your products and why it's a good idea to use them. So what are tags and why do they matter? Tags give you the freedom to add local names or common terms that your customers actually use when searching for products. Think of them as helpful nicknames. For example, let's say your product is listed as cassava, but customers in your area are more likely to search for ege, epu, tapioca, kapa, or banche, as some Ghanaians will call it. Tags let you include all of those names, so your product is easier to find no matter what customers type in. It's a simple way to make your products more searchable, recognizable, and relevant to your community. Let's walk through how to add them. From your merchant dashboard, go to the inventory section on the left-hand menu. You can either add tags directly to the product or add tags to multiple products at a go using the Add Tags button at the top right of the page. Find the product you want to edit and click the edit icon. Scroll down until you see the tag section. Here, you can type in any extra names or keywords that customers might use to search for this product. You can add multiple tags, just press enter or click add after each one. To add tags to multiple products at a go, click on the Add Tags button at the top right of the inventory page. For example, for bread, you could tag it with burodi, panu, or mokate. Once you're done adding tags, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. Your tags are now active and customers can now find your product more easily. Remember, tags don't change the official product name. They just make it easier to discover. It's all about meeting people where they are and speaking their language. Thanks for watching.
UrbanDrop, where tradition meets convenience.